In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products into Shopify from another store. We'll explore the most reliable method using a CSV file, which is perfect for ensuring a smooth transition for your product data. To start, you'll need to export the products from your source store. If you're working from another Shopify store, this is quite straightforward. Simply go to the Products section and select Export CSV. However, if your source store uses a different platform, you'll still want to export your data in a CSV format, ensuring that key information like product titles, SKUs, prices, descriptions, images, variants, and tags are all included. Once you've got your exported CSV file, the next step is to make sure that it's formatted to match Shopify's required CSV layout. Shopify offers a downloadable sample of their CSV format, which is incredibly helpful as a template. Pay attention to the headers. These need to be accurately labeled, such as handle, title, description, vendor, option 1, name, and option 1, value, among others. For your product images, it's important to ensure that each image URL is publicly accessible. If your images are stored locally, you'll need to upload them to a public server or use Shopify's Files feature. Once uploaded, you'll use these URLs within your CSV file to ensure your images link correctly when imported. Now, it's time to actually import your products into Shopify. Head over to the Shopify admin interface, navigate to Products, and select Import. Here, you can upload your meticulously prepared CSV file. If you wish to replace existing products that have matching handles, choose the option to overwrite products with matching handles. You'll also have the option to decide where these products should be published. You can choose to make them available on all sales channels, or you might want them displayed solely in your online store. It's entirely up to your specific needs. After the import process is complete, it's crucial to review your imported data. You'll want to verify that everything appears correctly within Shopify, especially focusing on variant data, pricing, and images. Shopify will send you an email with the status of your import, including any errors or issues that need addressing. These could involve missing required fields, problems with image URLs, or even duplicate option names. Taking the time to review and correct any highlighted errors is a vital step in ensuring that your products are displayed correctly in your Shopify store. By following this guide, you'll set yourself up for success in seamlessly importing your products, ensuring they're perfectly aligned with Shopify's requirements and ready to go live in your shop. I hope you found this tutorial helpful as you streamline your product import process.